Meaning of the English idiom between a rock and a hard place. To be between a rock and a hard place means to have to choose between two equally undesirable choices, to be in a very difficult situation. Examples of use. Environmental protection leaves legislators between a rock and a hard place. While the majority wants natural resources to be protected, certain regulations can disrupt industries and impact thousands of jobs. Having to decide against losing his business and asking his father for money left John between a rock and a hard place. Coal-workers in the Appalachians were always caught between a rock and a hard place. They needed the jobs the coal mines provided while the strip mining destroyed the land and caused devastating floods. Origin of idiom. Used since the early 1900s, this expression is the newest and most common version of idioms such as between the devil and the deep blue sea and between Scylla and Charybdis. It seems to be American. Although how the phrase originated is not precisely known, according to the American Heritage Dictionary, the allusion is to being crushed between two rocks. A more logical assumption may be that the allusion is to being caught between impassable obstacles. The earliest known use in print was in the American Dialect Society academic journal known as Dialect Notes, Volume 5 from 1921. To be between a rock and a hard place, to be bankrupt. Common in Arizona in recent panics, sporadic in California.